had someone recently ask me about placenta encapsulation, and I want to share about it for a minute. First, I'm excited that we are now offering placenta encapsulation at Blissful Birthing, Tennessee from a certified placenta encapsulist. So that's awesome, good news. So I just want to share that. So check it out on our website, look up blissfulbirthingtennessee.com and learn all about placenta encapsulation. But I want to share a little bit about my experience. So I've had 10 kids, and the first 9 did not have any kind of placenta encapsulated. Did take my placenta home once to bury it under a tree. That was kind of exciting. And that was years ago when they looked at you really weird if you tried to take your placenta home. And so that was kind of a neat journey to go on. Anyways, fast forward all these years. On child number 10, I decided to experiment and see, is there any difference with having my placenta encapsulated and eating it versus not? So, in result, actually it was a difference for me. And not all people feel a difference, but for me it was. In my other pregnancies, I just kind of felt that, oh, I had a baby. And then I felt that, oh, I had a baby. And, oh, I don't know if I can make it through. This is really hard. I don't have enough sleep. That kind of feeling. And this time I gave my placenta to the encapsulist, and she dried it and she shredded it up and put it in gel capsules and then brought it to me. And then I got to figure out what was best for me and how many to take and when to do it. And I know some people talk about bad taste or something. I didn't find a bad taste. I found for me, since I'm a morning person, what worked best for me was to about take 3 pills in the afternoon, about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and those 3 pills would give me enough boost to kind of make it through the evening dinner time, bedtime routine, etc. If I took 4, I found it gave me a buzz, like a headache, and I don't know, I felt a little disoriented type of thing, but 3 was my good number. So one thing to know is when you get your placenta encapsulated, the dosage, you'll have to figure that out for you. I have another girlfriend, she took 1 in the morning and 1 at night, and that was enough to work out for her. Worked well. The other things people don't talk about very often is the placenta tincture. So I got a placenta tincture. Ta-da! There it was. It's just in a little brown bottle, and it's actually vodka with a piece of the cord and a piece of the placenta in this jar, along with this vodka. And so it takes about 6 weeks to make a tincture. And the interesting thing about that is that the benefits of the placenta and the cord, all of it soaks in with the vodka to make this tincture. And so now in 6 weeks you have dropper full. It's just a clear liquid. Ta-da! See that? Everybody see? Ta-da! And the good thing with that is when my placenta pills ran out, I could instead take this tincture and put it in a glass of water and drink it down. It did not taste bad by any means, and it gave me very similar effects to when I took the pills. But this lasts longer, and if my level gets down low, all I have to do is refill it up with vodka and give it some time, and then the benefits will be here. And I can really keep it as long as I want. It preserves it for a long time. And some people have used it when they're having their monthly cycles to help relieve symptoms. Some have used it on their baby's mouth when they're teething and said that it's helped with that. Lots of different claims. I've only taken it myself and haven't given it to my kids or anything like that. But it has been beneficial for me. So just wanted to put that out there, let you know my personal experience with placenta encapsulation so that you would have a story to compare with and think about it for your next birth. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So glad that you're here today. Hope you enjoyed the video. There are lots of other videos you can watch on all kinds of different topics. We hope you check it out. And if you're interested in learning more, please visit our website at blissfulbirthingtennessee.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye!